I first came to eye&I about 5 years ago. I was looking for an optometrist near my home, and I did a Google search and found this business was very close to my home, actually. Upon first entering eye&I, I knew immediately that it would be a business I would frequent. The hospitality and service is clearly a focus. They really want to help the person, not just they want to help their vision. It's not just about selling something. It's really about getting to know the person, what their vision needs are, and making sure that they have a lens that is suitable for them for their vision, but also a frame that really fits their face and makes them look good and feel good about themselves. It's an accessory you wear all the time, so you really do need to have someone who's professional at picking those kind of things out. I recently also became in need of a multifocal contact lens for when I don't want to wear my eyeglasses. For example, I like to wear fashionable sunglasses, and this affords me the ability to wear my contact lens with those. But it was really important to have the multifocal because I do have a distance and close vision problem that has to be corrected. And so they were really generous in being able to try a couple different brands for about a month to see which is the most comfortable and which one gave me the best vision. We did land on one, and I'm really happy with it. I will continue to come back to eye&I for my vision needs. In fact, I go every year. I don't always change my eyewear, but I do change the lenses if it's called upon. My husband also frequents eye&I, so we are regular customers and will continue to be.
I had struggled with red eyes and dry eye for a long time, and this was something where I remember in high school and college, people would always come up to me and ask me, why are your eyes so red? What kind of drugs are you using? And I'd never used drugs in my life. And so this was something I felt super, super conscious about. And I had struggled with this. I tried various different things for a long time, and everything worked somewhat, but nothing fully worked. And then when I moved to Long Island here, I was looking for a place that really specialized in dry eye treatment specifically. And so I was recommended eye&I, and so I decided to check it out. And so when I was there, I started undergoing a procedure called IPL. And so this procedure, when I was examined by the doctor, Dr. Han, she diagnosed me with ocular rosacea, which is a condition that can worsen dry eye. And so I started undergoing the IPL procedure every couple weeks, every month. And so I was doing it for 3 months, 6 months consistently, also making lifestyle changes as well. And as I started doing this, I realized that, wow, like suddenly my eyes aren't so red anymore. And I kept doing that and kept doing the therapy, the treatment. And I remember Dr. Han came up to me one day after I was there for an appointment. She said, your eyes are looking really good. And I was like, yeah, I think so too. And so now I've been doing it for 2 years. I moved to Manhattan. I was living in Long Island before, moved to the city, but I still go back to Long Island for my treatment because I've gotten to know the staff there, I've gotten to know the clinic there, and I trust them with my health. So I'm grateful to have found them, and would recommend them to anyone who's having a similar problem of dry eye, dry redness, or grittiness that I do.
안녕하세요. 제 이름은 강신영이고요. 뉴욕에서 내 아이를 키우고 있는 엄마입니다. 제가 eye&I에 저희 아이들을 데리고 가서 눈 검진도 받고 안경도 맞추게 되었는데, eye&I를 방문하게 된 계기는요, 저희 막내 아이가 학교를 다니면서 여러 번 머리가 아프다고 이렇게 두통을 호소했어요. 그런데 널스 선생님께서 두통 문제는 시력과 연관이 있을 수 있다는 그런 조언을 주셨어요. 그리고 저희 친구들과 저희 아는 분들께서 여러분이 eye&I가 좋다고 추천을 해주셨어요. 그래서 방문을 하게 되었고요. 실제로 방문을 해보니까 의사 선생님들과 또 직원분들께서 너무나 친절하고 세심하게 아이들 한 명 한 명을 검진해 주시고 또 안경을 고르는 것도 친절하게 안내해 주셔서 정말 큰 도움을 받았어요. 그리고 특히 저희 막내 아이는 안경을 맞춘 이후에 학교에서도 훨씬 눈이 잘 보이기 때문에 공부에도 잘 집중할 수 있었고 또 두통도 조금씩 사라지면서 지금은 정말 많이 좋아졌어요. 그 이후로도 저희 아이들이 계속해서 eye&I를 통해 검사를 받으면서 눈 건강을 지키고 있는데요. 이렇게 믿음직한 eye&I를 여러분 모두에게 추천해드리고 싶습니다.